Well, hello there and welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at updating passwords, okay? So the vibe is when you click on update password, it's taking us to a URL called update pword, and that's going to be remarkably similar to this create page here. Actually, it's just going to be a form with password and then underneath that repeat password, and that's pretty much it, okay? So pretty easy, it's all cool. By the way, I've changed to the Vivaldi browser here. I just thought I'd give it a try, you know, and do a little change. So I'm on Vivaldi just now. I thought I'd give Google Chrome a break. Anyway, let's get going. I'm going to open up store accounts. And this autogen stuff is nice. I think I'm going to use this in the future. It has been very good, but I'm going to copy it and paste it down here so that it's out of the way, okay? Then I'm going to go to this create function here and I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to paste right up here like so. And then we're going to have update underscore pword. Okay, so that's where we go when someone clicks update password. And as a matter of fact, let me just show you what's happening. I'll just say echo hello die. So if we click that, you can see if you look at the URL here that it's update pword and then the update ID. That's the ID of the store account, okay? So that's how it's going to work. Now, right up the top here, when you think about it, we are always going to have an update ID, or at least we should always have an update ID. So I'm going to say if not is numeric update ID, then redirect store accounts manage. Now that should never happen, but it's just a little layer of security, okay? Now I'm going to do an else if statement, and we'll say else if submit is equivalent to cancel. Then we're going to redirect to store accounts create and update ID. Okay, so that takes care of the first section here. It's pretty straightforward. Let's move down and we'll do the rest of it. So next we've got set the rules. I'm going to have a field called pword, okay? And that's going to be called password. Now, by the way, why have I called it pword? Well, it's kind of an old habit. I've been a web developer since the 1990s, and every website I've ever built has variables called password flying about here, there, and everywhere. So I've found that when you call it pword, you never get these conflicts happening with other password variables. Listen, it's just an old habit. Don't worry about it. You know, it probably doesn't matter too much. Anyway, pword is going to be required. We'll have a couple of other things actually. Let's have min length of, how about 7? And let's have max length of maybe 35, something like that. Now, if you're wondering where all these rules come from, they're coming straight from the Codeigniter user guide. Look, here's all the rules, you see, here they are. And if I do something like, let's just see length, here we go. And I'm all over the place. Oh gee. Where on earth's length? I can't even see. Maybe I shouldn't have changed browsers. Ah, right, here's the search thing. Okay, so do you see how it says max length 12? See, this is where I'm getting all this stuff from. Look, min length, see. So that's the vibe. Good. Next, there's going to be another validation rule here, which is going to be for repeat pword, and I'll call that one repeat password. And it's going to be required, and the rule here is going to be matches pword, okay? And again, matches with an S, pword. And again, that's straight from the user guide. If you don't believe me, look, I'll do a search for matches, and look, here it is. See, straight from the user guide. So that's our validation rules. That's fantastic. Now we don't need to do fetch data from post. We're just going to say data pword equals this input post p-word true. We're only interested in updating one column, right? It's the column called p-word. Now, there's always going to be an update ID, so we can take this if statement out here. We can definitely do that, and we can go like so. And we're going to say the account password was successfully updated, and divert back to the page. That's all good. Now, this section is all to do with repopulating the form. We do not want to repopulate the form if it's a password, so we're going to take this out, okay? Next, headline is always going to be update password. Okay, here we go. Update account password. Okay, and let's tidy up. And then the view file is going to be called update p-word. So if we refresh this page here, like so, you can see that it's trying to load a view file called update p-word. Now, this view file is going to be remarkably similar to our create view file that we made previously. So I'm going to duplicate the create thing, and then I'm going to call it update underscore p-word, okay? And then I'm going to go into the views folder and open that up. And I'm just going to go through and do a few tweaks. So the first tweak is we don't need all of those buttons, okay? That's the first tweak. And I'll just say update form at the top here. Something like that. And that the form location is going to be update underscore p-word, okay? And we're going to have 2 form fields at the top. Only 2. We're going to have password and repeat password, like so. We are not going to fill in the value, okay? There's no form repopulation that's going to happen here, so we'll take that out. And in the name section here, I'm going to say p-word, and for the next one it's going to be repeat underscore p-word. What else? Yeah, the form type, let me just move along a bit. The form type is going to be password. Okay, and I think that's us. Actually. That should be okay. So let's save that and let's refresh the screen. Here we go. So it's saying password and repeat password, right? So I'm going to make the passwords not match, and we'll just see what happens, right? So here we go. They don't match, right? And we do submit. And it says the repeat password field does not match the password field. Fantastic. Let's do submit again. We'll leave it empty. And that's excellent. Okay, so the errors are working fantastic. Let's check the cancel button. That's perfect. Good. Now let's add a proper password. We'll say hello you, and we'll do submit. The account password was successfully updated, so that's very cool indeed. And hello Honolulu. However, we have not encrypted the password. Let me just show you. If we jump in here, CI shop, store accounts, and you can see that the password is just hello you, right? So that's very uncool. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to encrypt passwords, and it shall be very cool. So I'll see you then. Thanks a lot. Bye.